How do you work this thing? Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. You know what time it is. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Hope you guys are doing well. Guys, I had to take a break, man. There was a lot going on. And then Apex sent me that email. I was like, oh, here we go. Here we go. You guys know the email I'm talking about. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Hope you guys are doing well. It's been a while. Whoa. Hope you guys are doing well. It's summer, almost summertime already, man. Basically, it's summer. It's crazy, man. Second quarter is about to be done. We're about to head into third quarter. This year is flying, ladies and gentlemen. SpaceX IPO today. The largest IPO in history. I had to get on and chop it up with you guys to see what you guys think. Very interesting times. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Welcome back to another episode of The Infinity Show. It's been a while, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. All right, man. I have to dust this thing off. Man. So yeah, we're here, man. It's been back and forth action with this Iran war. Back and forth. We got a deal. We don't got a deal. We might have a deal. We're stealing their oil, etc., etc. It's been back and forth, man. Hope you guys are doing well, man. Hold on. Yeah, I think it's good. But yeah, we're back, man. I've been trying out other firms. Basically, Apex sent me that their handy dandy email saying your account is being evaluated. Your account is being evaluated. Maybe you can go to live, maybe you can't. You know how that goes. So we're gonna see. I knew I forgot something. What am I looking for? Oh yeah, let me add the. It's been a minute. I gotta get my links up. Hope everyone's doing well, man. The grind does not stop, ladies and gentlemen. It doesn't stop. Where's my link? All right, let me get my Discord links for the chat. It's been a while. I gotta remember where everything is. But yeah, man, just took some time to just like chill with family. We had a loss in the family. It's just been a lot going on, man. It's like one of my older cousins, he kind of passed. So yeah, man, it's been interesting times. 2026. Shout out to Muda Mars, my dog. What's going on, brother? We back on, man. I had to jump back on, man, for this IPO. Nothing has happened yet, right? They said it's going to take a couple hours. We still have a couple hours left. Let me see. Couple more hours left until this thing goes live. Oh no, is it moving? I think it's moving. Hold on, this thing is moving, man. Oh, it just turned. Yo, we're right on time. We're right on time. Hold on. We're at 159 right now. The biggest IPO. I wonder what the numbers are looking like right now. Okay, what is this, my 15 minute? Where's my 1 minute? Where is my 1 minute, bro? Hold on. All right. The IPO is live, yo. Yo, we are right on time. We are right on time. SpaceX is live, ladies and gentlemen. SpaceX is live. I'm only a couple minutes off. Dang it! I wanted to see it open up. We dove to 135, but it opened up at like 150. Yeah, in terms of like a long-term buy and hold, I think I'm gonna wait. I was just talking to Moon or Mars and the other James, James Rosebar, about how we're gonna wait. We're probably gonna wait like a couple months. The consensus from what I see, like from the big guys, they're like wait like 6 months, and then wait like 6 months and then evaluate. I think I was even looking at a chart of like Google's IPO and Meta's IPO. Like it fell for the first 100 days. So we'll see. That's 3 months. So 3 to 6 months, we got to see where it pans out to, and then we'll see. And then somebody said there's like locked shares that investors can't get rid of. They can't get rid of it for the next 3 to 6 months. So they got to hold on for the IPO. So we'll see. So right now, all the price action now is just going to be kind of random. So we'll see. Shout out to Moon or Mars. Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you, brother, man. Yeah, man. It's just been a lot going on. But yeah, just took a break to kick it with fam, you know. We had Mother's Day. I was just like, yo, let me just relax, chill out, do some research, and breathe a little bit. So when did this thing IPO? 46, like on the dot. That's crazy. As soon as I went live, 1 minute after that thing was live. We're right on time. I knew it wasn't gonna start moving at 9:30, but let me see. Can I get this thing up? Okay. Let me see if I can switch it. So you guys can see SPX actually moving. Not SPX, SPCX. All right. I gotta like switch all these guys. I do. Can't I make this like a full screen? All right, let me make it a full screen. And then I'll make it SPCX. No, SPXC. Right? No, SPCX. SPCX. Appreciate you, James. Appreciate you, Moon or Mars. All right, man, let's see. I got the 5-minute chart up. I want to make this like a 1 minute so we can get like the first 10 minutes of the IPO. Very interesting, man. Elon Musk, trillionaire, guys. That's crazy. All right, let me see if I can do this. Boom and boom. All right, let's see if it gives me the whole screen. Boom. All right, yeah, you can kind of see it. Got my thinkorswim on here. Check it out, man. Space SPCX is on the move. Fresh all-time highs, SPCX, man. All right, man, we'll see where this thing goes. We're just gonna let it ride. All right, I gotta make this a little bit smaller, right? All right. Hope everyone's doing well, man. How's my mic? Everything good? Audio good? Sounds about right. Yeah, we're good. Yes, sir. Shout out to my brother, Moon or Mars 301 in the building. I'm a little rusty. I gotta get these links in, don't I? But yeah, Apex sent me that email, the email of doom. You can't buy any more evals. This happened right after the payout too. I was like, that's how y'all feel. Okay, I get it. Bang. All right. Oh yeah. Did I copy paste? I did. All right, let's see. Then I can pin it, right? Shout out to Moon Mars. Moon Mars says, I'm about to hit the road. I'm in long. Let me know if we start dropping. Absolutely. Shout out to my brother, Moon Mars 301 in the building. He's into SpaceX early. Yeah, you could definitely like trade it. Definitely trade it for sure. But in terms of like the shares, like holding on to it, we'll see. I wonder what the options are looking like. Maybe you can scalp the options, but like in terms of the shares, I think we'll get like a better price before the end of the year. Like a good get-in price that you can just hold it, let it ride. Shout out to everybody in the YouTube universe. Hope you guys are doing well, man. Second quarter is about to be done, man. This is insane. Time is flying. Moon Mars says, I think the options start next week. Okay. So they're not live right now, just shares. Makes sense. I know the options on this thing are going to be crazy. It might be a SPX's little brother. We'll see. Now, will I scalp some options? I might do that. And then once we pan out for the shares, then I'll start loading up. Hopefully we can get down to like 100, and then I can start building from there. Just to get all the hype out of it. Shout out to my brother Moon Mars for that information. So options start next week. And now they got rid of the I haven't talked to you guys. They're changing the rules, man. Pattern day trading rule gone. Margin limits, like what you have to have for margins, have decreased significantly. I mean, it depends on the company, the bank, the brokerage. But yeah, very interesting times. Shout out to my brother, Moon Mars. I'm about to hit the road. I'm in along. Let me know if we start. Yes, sir. I'll post it in the Discord. Oh yeah, here we go. Bang. I'm about to post it. We are live. SPX is live. SPCX, right? Where we at right now? Current price 160s. There we go. SPCX, right? Let me make sure. I'm gonna get it confused with SPX for the first couple of months. Not the first couple of months, but the first couple of days. SPX, SpaceX is alive. SPCX current price 160. 160, 173. Current price in the 160s. Price action in the 160s. Yo, this thing went live as soon as we went live. Perfect timing. Price in the 160s. Price action in the 160s. Just let it go. SPCX Bank. Bank. Let's go. All right, we're on. Shout out to everybody in the chat. All right, let's see. I gotta put the poll in there too, right? I'm a little rusty, guys. All right. Green. Red. Hope everyone's doing well, man. It's been a while. Can I go add option flat? Does it just appear? I wonder. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, I gotta put it on the other one too. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading and what do you trade? SpaceX is live, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be on here for a couple hours. Happy Friday. Happy Friday, guys. Let me see. Ooh. Okay, trillionaire. Insane, guys. Shout out to everybody. The last couple of people who have gotten payouts in the Discord. Shout out to you guys, man. If you want to hop in the Discord, the link is in the pinned comment. Oh, that's what I was doing. Okay, that's what I was doing. All right. Oh gosh, hold on. My thinkorswim. I forgot this is a 1 minute chart. Gotta squeeze it up a little bit. Nice. I know people exited ASAP, man. People were in around 135. We popped. Well, there's no options. Okay. Yeah, you're right. But still, options, you have the leverage. The leverage. It's live. Shout out to my guy, My brother Goose. Goose is in the building as well, man. But yeah, so the goal going forward is basically going to be Lucid, my funded futures until we'll see. I think I have a plan for Apex. We'll see what happens. We will see what happens. I've heard that's happened to a couple other people as well on Twitter, X. People are complaining they got an email, haven't received correspondence since. And the email's been there for like, they sent the email like a month or two ago saying you can't buy any more evals. So yeah, we'll see, man. Shout out to Apex Clippers. What's going on? Where are my guys at? Where's MSG UFO? Shout out to MSG UFO. Muno Mars says Goose trade. Yeah, bro. Oh, dude, I didn't tell you. I meant to tell you. I went to Sean's B-Day gathering. It was like a little gathering at his house. Shout out to Muno Mars in the building. Yeah, I saw it was like a reunion. I walked in there, went into the basement. Dog, the whole basement shut down. They were like, I know that's not who I think it is. Goose was in there, Naya was in there, everybody was in there. Yeah, it was like, yeah. A&T was down in there, in his house, for sure. Oh, yeah, bro. I meant to tell you, man. I was like, because he told me like last minute, so I was like, all right. I know James probably busy. It was like a weekend or two ago. And dog, do you remember Tommy that we went to Miami with? He passed as well, man. Sean told me that like in the same breath, like about, it happened a couple days before his birthday. Like, this is recent, like a couple weeks. So Sean was like mixed feelings, you know what I'm saying? It was his birthday, and he had just, I think the day of the gathering was like the day of the funeral. It was crazy. But rest in peace to Tommy, bro. Yeah, Tommy was with us when we went to like Universal Studios, and he was the one with like the twists in his hair. We got pictures together. It's crazy, man. So yeah, I met Sean, like Sean's kids. It's crazy, man. Time is flying. Sean's son opened the door. I was like, "What's up, little man?" Yeah, it was interesting. Really cool, man. He got a nice spot. But yeah, that's been the last couple of weeks. It's been interesting. A lot going on. Shout out to my brother Muno Mars 301 in the building. Shout out to Apex Clippers. SPCX is live, ladies and gentlemen. So I wonder what it like at this price. What is Elon Musk's net worth? It's probably crazy. me see if I can find the correct tube notes. Yeah, there we go. All right, give me a second. I know the price action stopped. All right, we're back. So yeah, we'll see. Apex, we just gotta give them a break for right now. But I got a plan for them coming soon. But other than that, Lucid, My Funded Futures, PAYOUTS, those are the three that I'm like running evals on. And topstep. I ran a eval this morning, but got chopped up after the initial flush. What's my topstep? What's my Twitch? Can I switch on here? Tradez. All right. Twitch, topstep, Tradez. Oh, okay. All right, cool. It's cool. We just leave it on Tradez for the short stream. SpaceX is live, guys. Very interesting. What does it say for like the volume? Sheesh. Did that say 61 million? 61,460,118. Insane. That opening candle is real. Shout out to X Reaper Studios. I'm gonna add some more tracks to the playlist, the streaming playlist. Munamar says, you know, topstep has an indicator that automatically plots the levels for you. Go to indicators and type in topstep levels. Oh, nice. Is that recent? Did that just happen? Because I've been looking for that. I know they base their platform on like TradingView, but I trade through their platform, and sometimes you can't get like some of the indicators and studies that you can get on topstep. Oh, they've been had it for real? Oh yeah, maybe I was not hip. I'm about to check it out. Hold on. So what does it like level out? Like the day high, day low, everything? All right, cool. I'm about to check it out. So yeah, right now we're going for what we got. Oh yeah, PAYOUTS. I still have to update the. Yo, every time PAYOUTS does a new sale, they want us to like go in, log in, change the code. Why can't they just keep our code? We have to change it to our code. All right, I'm about to check topstep. Hold on. What's happening? Oh, okay. Go to affiliate info. Change to infinity. Oh no, it's still good. scaling. How much are these? I think Buellnox added another, they added another tier. They sent an email about it. I don't know what the, I gotta look up what the difference is. Everybody's going to like end of day accounts now. So it's like, the industry has to adjust if you're not there yet. No activation fee. That's what they're kind of getting at. And it makes sense. I mean, if you think about it, they want you to try your hand at a higher price point. Put your earnings to work. Transfer your prop payout to your topstep brokerage account. Oh, interesting. Prop to brokerage payouts are processed the same day. No transfer fees, no wait list, no problem. Topstep has their brokerage now. Yeah, Lunar Mars, I think I see it. Topstep levels, daily levels. Topstep. Is it only, oh, okay, I'm about to just turn it on and see what happens. Daily levels. Okay, how do I activate this thing? Oh, did I do it on the right thing? Indicators. Moving average, topstep daily levels. Oh, I think it's adding it. Why does it look like that? Hold on. Can I make this like bigger? Topstep levels settings. Oh wow, yesterday's high, last week's high. Oh nice. Kickoff high, weekly kickoff high. Interesting. Shout out to Lunar Mars 301 for that. Yeah, I'm about to look it up or see how it works. I see it. I see they got like the last week's high, yesterday's value area high. Interesting. Yesterday's volume point of control. Settlement, the close, yesterday's value area low. Yesterday's low, weekly kickoff low, weekly kickoff high. And then last week's low. Interesting. They got all the levels. Yeah, I didn't know they had that. But the thing, you know my thing with Topstep, I don't know, sometimes their levels be off, but if you're saying they on point, I'll try. Maybe the levels, I gotta play with the levels. But yeah, Topstep was never, from Topstep to Schwab or Thinkorswim, their VWAP is different, their EMAs were kind of different. I was like, okay, I gotta trust Schwab. Schwab has never let me down, so I gotta go by their numbers. Until Topstep figures it out. I'm sure they're gonna even it out, but every time I try, I'm like, yo, things are slightly off. Lunar Mars 301 says, yep, plus some others too. Yep, I see them. Yeah, the levels are on point. They update every day. Okay, cool. All right, so yeah, I'm about to throw that on the chart for sure. Because that helps, because I do all of my charting on Thinkorswim. So it'll be good to have it like on Topstep. Tradez, I kind of do it like after I'm done with Thinkorswim. I'll put like the key levels, day high, day low. Tradez, you got to do everything manually. Shout out to my bro, Lunar Mars 301 in the building. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading and what do you trade? Shout out to everybody in the chat. Yo, this AI is taking over at an alarming rate. It's getting crazy out here, man. And we're only at the beginning. Like we're barely scratching the surface when it comes to all this AI stuff. I started looking into like Claude agents and bro, it's crazy. There was a way I did it. How did I do it last time? All right. We're just fumbling around in the 160s right now on SPCX. Yo, if you're on the short stream, come over to the horizontal stream. We got 2 streams going on. Whoa. Come out, Dorsey. What's going on? I've been good, man. How you been? Good to hear from you, man. Shout out to Byron Harrison. What's going on, bro? How's everything going? Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. Had to take a break, man. That's all. Took a little break from the streams. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey in the building. Shout out to Byron Harrison. Shout out to Lunar Mars 301 in the building. SpaceX is live, ladies and gentlemen. It's moving. Let me see. There it goes. Did I do it right? There we go. Just leave it. That's what it is. This thing is so huge. We're just watching the beginnings of this enormous company. It is live on the markets, guys. Yo, Trump has been sending us, Trump has had us on a roller coaster, guys. The Iran war close to being done. The Iran war, we're going back over there to bomb. Then they say, we're not gonna bomb. Then Trump says, we stole some oil. We're close to an agreement. We're not close to an agreement. Communication has stopped. Communication is back on. Manipulation. But yeah, it has given us some wild price action. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey in the building. Okay, the new. Okay, man. Okay, started working at night so I can get back on my sessions. Nice. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey in the building, man. If you guys need a code for Buellnox or Lucid Trading, use code Infinity. I'm waiting to hear back from My Funded Futures as well. Trying to get a code with them as well. SpaceX is live. Ooh, what was that? See, man, you're gonna have some weird price action the first week. Oh, you know what? I was trying to do that too. I don't know where to put it. Someone said put like my QR code up on here somewhere. I just gotta figure out where to put it. Yeah, we're kind of like chopping around right now. Let's see. Why won't this thing come on? I'm trying to get this link. What does that mean? All right, let me see if I can add topstep daily levels. I don't know, for some reason it's not coming up. Add this indicator to entire layout. Copy, hide. The levels aren't showing up yet, so I'm trying to figure out why. Maybe I gotta exit and then come back in or something. Yo, if you want more real estate on Topstep, when you're trading it through the browser, go to your browser settings and decrease the zoom. That has given me a lot more real estate to move around when I'm scalping. I ran a combine this morning, but I hit the daily loss limit. I went in kind of heavy around the open. All right, is this thing working? Don't fall, man. Don't fall. All right, cool. Shout out to everybody in the chat. What you guys been up to, man? It's been weeks. Yeah. Shout out to Munamar 301. Shout out to Byron Harrison. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey in the building. Yeah, I just wanted to get on for a couple hours after the SpaceX push. Now I can change it to like the 5 minute. I wanted to watch like the beginning minutes of this thing. The beginning of SpaceX on the market. All right, let me see. Change this to like 5 minutes. Oh, we might get these raffle like giveaways going, but it's gonna be like a raffle type of situation. I was thinking about how to do it. Instead of going through the prop firm, I'm gonna just give you the money, donate the money for you to use it on whatever prop you want. But I think we might do it like in a raffle type of style. We'll see. I need to get back into the algorithm first, and then we'll see what we can do. 5-minute chart. Let's go 5 minutes. It's been like an hour, right? Yo, SpaceX went live like 1 minute after I got on here. I'm thinking it's gonna be like around 12:30. That thing went live as soon as we got on. They said it was gonna open at 1:35. It opened up at let's see. It opened at 150. So immediate gains. I listened to Elon Musk speak this morning before the IPO. He was like, he's trying to take the fiction out of science fiction. I was like, well, he's trying to fly to Mars at will, fly to the moon at will, and then take whoever wants to go. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Bang, bang. So yeah, we're gonna see. I need to look up the actual information. So yeah, for SpaceX, people have positions that they can't get out of for like the next 3 to 6 months. So once they start unloading their positions, that could be another event next quarter or the quarter after that. So we really don't know where this thing is going to pan out. I hope it gets back to like 100. Then I want to start adding shares. I want shares at least below 125. As close to 100 as I can get it. Get the shares, borrow against the shares. Speaking of that, I gotta, okay, cool. Dang, NQ has just, looks like NQ has hit a wall. It's just chilling right now. We're like chopping around. Is my Tradez not moving? Whoa, hold on. Hold on one second. Sorry about that, guys. Phone call. All right, guys. Why does my Tradez bait keep freezing? SpaceX is alive. SpaceX is alive, guys. We got to get back into the algorithm. Yo, NQ is chopping around, bro. Chopping around hard. We're not going anywhere. 1223. Like back and forth, back and forth. Shout out to the one-stop trader. What's up, man? Come over to the horizontal stream. Shout out to the one-stop trader in the building. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. I gotta remember to look at the short stream. Bada bing, bada boom. SPCX is live. I gotta get used to SPCX. Not SPY, not SPX, SPCX. Very interesting. Oh, next week we have FOMC. That's going to be interesting. Give me 1 second, guys. My bad, I was on the phone. Hold on. All right, let's see if NQ can reach for fresh day highs. Yeah, man, it's been a while since I've been on stream. I gotta get back into the algorithm. Algo. SpaceX is live, ladies and gentlemen. Insane. SpaceX is live. Shout out to the One Stop Trader. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey. Shout out to Muna Mars 301, my bro. Shout out to Byron Harrison 9999 in the building. Yo, if you guys don't follow Words of Wisdom, what is she talking? What do you mean? I'm confused. What's happening? I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. All right. It's blazing where I'm at right now. We're in the 90s. That was like 50 minutes ago. Sheesh. Oh yeah, they were fresh day highs for SpaceX. Tesla SpaceX merger. Dun dun dun. Elon has this thing planned out. Let me see if I make this smaller. Can I edit it? All right, let me try this. Make it smaller. I think it's still working. Yeah, we're gonna give SpaceX a couple months to like figure itself out, and we can take it from there. Luna Ultra, what is that? Insta 360. Huh. Let me see. Hello, direct messaging. Does it have the actual time? I wonder. We are literally watching history. Very interesting. Bada bing, bada boom. Hold on. All right, guys. Ooh. So I wonder how SpaceX is going to be put into these funds. The allocations are going to be interesting. Nice. I was watching some people trade this thing. They're trading with they're buying like 1,000 shares at a time, just scalping it. Oh boy, let's see. Maybe that'll help. Whoa. We're getting some wicks out of this thing. Are those true wicks? Wow. Bare minimum. NQ starting to push. Well, why does my Tradez keep freezing, guys? This is weird. I have like three windows of Tradez open. It's moving now, so. Okay, now my SpaceX bars have disappeared. This is weird. The volume bars are still there, but the actual candlesticks have disappeared. Yo, what? Is anything else moving? Hold on. Everything else is moving. Is anybody else experiencing that? SpaceX has just like kind of stopped. Maybe if I open on a different screen. SPCX. Yo, SanDisk is above 1,000 or 2,000. That's insane. Okay, we're good. I think we're good now. I don't know what that was. Happy Friday, guys. We got FOMC next week. Fed Warsh. Is that how we Warsh? Warsh? FOMC next week. Inflation is creeping. Do we get rate hikes? We'll see what happens. Next week is going to be very interesting. We'll see. All right. Trying to figure out why. All right, we're good. We're good. All right. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Usually my Tradez stays. If I change the screen, it shouldn't change like that. We'll see. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to B Hendrix 007. Shout out to Apex Clippers. Shout out to Moon or Mars 301. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey. And shout out to Byron Harrison. Shout out to everybody has tuned in, chimed in. We got to get back into the algorithm, man. We got to get back into the algorithm. SpaceX. What I could do is turn this configure off. Configure. Nice push, man. After yesterday, when Trump said there's no more, the attacks aren't going through, that he was proposing on Iran, price action shot to the north side. Global. Hold on 1 second. All right. Had to grab some water, man.
All right.
Stay hydrated, my friends. Stay hydrated. Oh yeah, I gotta check the short stream. Bowser Trades, what's up, man? Yo, is he still here? Shout out to Bowser Trades. Come over to the horizontal stream. All right. Shout out to Bowser Trades, man. How's everything going? Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to the One Stop Trader. Shout out to Bowser Trades. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Yo, Bowser Trades, One Stop Trader, come over to the and the One Stop Trader, come over to the horizontal stream. What is this? I wonder. Oh, what just happened? Oh, nice. Okay. Is that the same person? I don't know. We'll figure it out. Oh, this is somebody different. They just look the same. Wow. All right. All right, we're good. NQ cracked yesterday's high. Now we're kind of cruising to the upside. I wonder if I should have it on all of them. I wonder. It's a little bit different on each. Yeah, it's blazing outside. We're in the 90s, man. Woo. Okay. Next week is important. I'm gonna load up on some more Lucid. Load up on some more my funded futures. I'm gonna try like the builder account. See how it is. We'll see. They have the builder account. They got the flex account. But yeah, Lucid, and I want Lucid and Topstep to be like my base. 5 on each of those, and then slowly add the other props. Lucid, Topstep, My Fender Futures, Tradefy, Fuel Knox. All right. I wonder. NQ fresh day highs, getting back to fresh day highs. What is this? What is happening? One of my thinkorswim panels just kind of like froze. Not sure what it's doing. It's in its own world. SpaceX is live. All right. Clear uptrend right now. These bulls are pushing. I had to hop on here for the IPO, man. Lunchtime push. NQ searching for fresh day highs. I started doing a little bit of research on volume profile. I might add that to the tool list, or just like as another confluence. Shout out to Apex Clippers in the chat. We have he says the Bulls are pushing. Yes. What's ES looking like? How come my Tradez? I don't know what's happening with my Tradez. Man, bro. 5:15. Whoa, not mean to do that. All right, we'll see. SpaceX. Nice bounce around lunchtime. Now we're just pushing back up. Where's the... Yeah, lunchtime bounce. Trend line action. Work the trend, work the trend. Work the trend. Come on, NQ. Crack the high. It's getting there. That trend line's from the open, right? Yeah, close to the open. Trend line action on the 5. Pop, pop, pop. What's that, 12? The mic is hot. The mic is hot. Friday afternoon action. Wow, bro. Kind of chopping around. to go back to 1 minute. We got some wicks at 150. Jeez. Watching SpaceX. So far, the high is 176.52. It looked like it wanted to fly to 200, but we'll see. VWAP to the moon. Pullback action. I think we might pull back to that trend line before we continue higher. This is a weekly level on NQ as well. 676. Shout out to Bowser Trades. Shout out to the One Stop Trader. Oh no, you gotta pay. Whoa. Friday afternoon action. Sell in May and go away. Patience, patience, patience. Yeah, it's gonna take a couple streams to get back into the algorithm. Oh, what is SpaceX trap? Yeah, there's a bunch of shares on the sideline that can't be touched for the first like 3 to 6 months. So once those become live, then I think we'll get like the actual move, initial move for SpaceX. We got FOMC next week, ladies and gentlemen. Fed Warsh. I gotta get used to the new guy. Rigid rules, flexible expectations. Rigid rules, flexible expectations. Yeah, we're kind of just chopping around. Does Tradez stop when I cover? It wasn't doing that before. Let me see. I think it does, man. That's crazy. It wasn't doing that before. Yeah, it was not doing that before. I don't know what that is. Before I could just have Tradez in the background and it was running. But it's cool. We'll figure it out. Let's see if we get some pullback back to this trend line. Trend line action. SpaceX is live. FOMC is next week. The next couple of weeks, just June in general is going to be interesting. The close of June. FIFA World Cup is live. Look at the time slots again. FIFA. World Cup. Who's watching the World Cup? I'm watching it. I used to play, so yeah. Let me see. They're only doing like 2 games a day. Tomorrow. Oh no, tomorrow. Okay, so the majority of the games, that's when we go. Ooh, Brazil tomorrow. Weekend 3 games. Oh no, Sunday is all the games. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 games on Sunday. Oh, wow. Curacao. Monday. Oh, no, it starts ramping up next week. Okay. So I think just for the first week, a couple games per day, then 3 to 4 games per day. It's going to be interesting. That's a fact. Why do they have... Oh, okay. We're chopping around, guys. Friday action. Boom. Zero dropped frames. That means we're not chopping. All right, next week is important, guys. I'm gonna try to get these accounts up and running again. Ideally, I want Topstep and Lucid. I want those to be like the top two. And then I'll add Bill Knox, My Funded Futures. It is blazing outside. It's like 100 degrees. Any more information? Let's see. We are sideways, guys. Jeez. Whoa. It's a big stop. Jeez. Nice. Chop, 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 chop. Fed Warsh will be on the mic next week. Fed Warsh. Elon Trillionaire. stack the wins. Trust the process. Trust the process. The key is to survive. Tradify. Whoa. All right. Yeah, we're chopping around. Bulls are holding at the highs though, so I think eventually we'll get a pop. We'll see. Or we might go down and retest that trend line before we go higher. But the trend is up for now. Whoa, what's happening? Curl it back up, bulls. Seeing something? Oh no, something's going on at the highs. Somebody is slapping down from the mid 700s. We'll see if 700 can hold. What's on the... Wow, bro. Oh yeah, we gotta do that too, right? All right, we'll see. Chop action right now. It's Friday. I think everybody's out enjoying themselves. Catch a couple trades after lunchtime on Friday. Everybody's gone. Bada bing, bada boom. FOMC is next week. What else is next week? I gotta check that out. FOMC is next week. We just had PPI, CPI, non-farm. What else do we have in June? I'll look it up. Invest. FOMC. Fed wash. Do we get rate hikes next week? That would be crazy if we actually get some hikes. Inflation is creeping up. Earnings calendar. No, I need the news. Oh, we're over here. Next week. Sidewinder action, man. Jeez. Dang. Yeah, it's time. I'm about to get a Google, YouTube. Ooh, pullback action. All right, let's see if we get back to this trend line. Looks like we're gonna get close. We'll see if we get a bounce off of that. Wow. Well, we're pulling back to a 1 minute 200 SMA. Let's see if the bulls can hold. Dang. Hold on 1 second, guys. Phone call. All right, man. Friday afternoon chop. We got 2 hours left. SpaceX is live. Let's go. Hold on. Sorry about that. I had a phone call. All right, man. We got to get back into the algorithm, man. What time is it? 2? Price action is light right now. Let's check the short stream. Shout out to Bowser Trades. Shout out to the one-stop trader. We gotta get back into the algorithm, man. I guess I gotta go back to back to back. Back to back to back. Or I was thinking maybe trying to start a little earlier. We'll see. All right, I think this thing is moving a bit now. Clear all states. All right, so next week, FOMC, right? FOMC is next Wednesday. Do we have anything else like pressing? FOMC is basically the main thing. Then we got Juneteenth Friday, Philly Fed on Thursday, jobless claims, retail sales, core retail sales. So yeah, next Wednesday is the highlight of next week. Core retail sales and FOMC. We got Philly Fed, jobless claims. Yeah, not much going on next week. The main thing is FOMC. So we'll see what Mr. Warsh has to say. Do we get cuts or do we get some? Not cuts. Do we get hikes or do they keep things the same? We'll see. It's gonna be interesting. I know everybody was talking about a cut once Powell gets out, but we might get the opposite. Yeah, we're pulling. All right, let's see what this trend line wants to do. Let's see if it holds firm. Oh man, on the 1 minute, we're right there. Shout out to Romeo. He said, main thing is the Knicks winning and the fans trashing Wall Street. Oh, man. The Knicks fans are not playing any games, man. They're not playing any games. When was their last championship? Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. That's what I was missing. Dang, I'm a little rusty, man. I need the my subscriber count, man. I'm a little rusty. That's cool. All right, let me change these out. We're bouncing off the trend line. Trend line action. Yo, what happened to my... Okay, there it goes. Should pop up now. Shout out to all the new subscribers, man. Appreciate you guys, man. Romeo says 1973. Last finals was 1999. Oh man, long time coming, man. Shout out to Romeo in the chat. We got the AC on blast right now. Jeez. It's like 90 something degrees. What is the temperature? All right, mini pullback. Let's see if NQ can reach for fresh day high. It's 100 degrees outside. Insane. Feels like 112. Shout out to Romeo in the chat. Friday afternoon, slow price action. Slow price action. Last finals was 99, 1973. Wow, bro. No, it's freezing. Inside is freezing. Shout out to Romeo. We got the AC blasting. Outside is hot. I got like goosebumps, bro. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading and what do you trade? Bulls are trying to curl it back up. Let's see if they can reach for fresh day high. Reach. Dang, the trend line on a 1 minute was perfect. You see how different it is when you draw a trend line on a 1 minute compared to the 5 and the 15? It's weird. It's always off when you draw it just from the different time frame. We got FedEx. We'll see if we get a push. Where is SpaceX now? Hold on. I minimized it. Where is SpaceX now? Still in the 160s? Yeah. Wow, these wicks on the 1 minute look crazy. SpaceX SPCX. I've been calling it SPX. Whoa, what's happening? What is happening? I don't know what that thing's doing. Did they move it in a certain way? Like, I wonder. I don't know what's happening. Oh, okay. Hold up, why is it doing this? Advanced mode. Oh, shoot, what just happened? View live count. Oh, they've kind of adjusted it Very interesting. Okay, so how do we do this? That is weird. Alright, bear with me. I don't know what's happening with this thing. They've kind of adjusted the... They've adjusted... Whoa. Okay, I gotta fix that. What is advanced mode? Oh, okay, I think we're good. Hold on. It's still lower than it needs to be. That's weird. That's crazy. That means I gotta go back and adjust it. Trendline retest on the 1 minute. Do the bears want to crash down into power hour? We'll see. Yo, what is this thing doing? I think the actual subscriber page has shifted, so now it's like live count. That's weird. Okay, so advanced mode is off, right? What? Yeah, they definitely shifted this thing. So I gotta play with it. Alright, it's fine. Alright, it has to do, we gotta do that for now. That's weird. Bears are pressing down from the 700 level. Let's see if we get back down to retest VWAP. VWAP is 530s, 520s. Shout out to Romeo in the chat. That's cool. They've completely changed the YouTube algorithm. It's kind of crazy. I think we got to do. Oh, wow. Why does everybody keep calling the SpaceX thing a trap? Shout out to everybody in the chat. Yeah, I think like you gotta hype the video. I don't know how that works. Can you hype a live after it's done? I don't know. We'll find out. Happy Friday, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. We're watching the paint dry. NQ's just like jumping around, not really going anywhere. It's Friday, so I get it. Everybody's out and about. Nice weather outside. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, I could probably do that too. Tighten it up. We'll see. All right, we're back. Get rid of this one. It's like watching paint dry, man. I'm kind of like chopping around. Friday afternoon action, that's all. Friday afternoon action. All right, I'm gonna try that. We'll try it. Yeah, volume is low, bro. All our moves came in the morning. Before 12, and we got a nice bounce at 12. Now we're kind of just hanging out. Price action is just hanging out. Friday, fun day. Yo, my subscriber page just went crazy, bro. I don't know what. I have to go in there and adjust it. Oh, maybe I can do it on the fly. Let me try to do it here. Maybe I could probably figure out. Okay, so let's try it here. Let me go to the page again. Let's make it regular size. Ooh. Make it regular size. I guess this advanced mode is gonna be there, I guess. Or maybe not. I think I can adjust it. And how do I do this? Control, right? There's something I can hold. Oh, there it is. Okay. I can hold, what is it, Alt? Ooh. Ooh. There we go. Shout out to all the new subscribers, man. Let me see. I'm trying to make sure this thing is, I guess it's good now, right? They kind of changed the page. It looks funny now, a little bit. Alt. Just trim it up a little bit. I think we're good. It's pretty good now. You just had to edit it a little bit. I think it's good money now. 153. Yeah. All right, cool. Shout out to everybody in the chat. If you're new here, say something. How long have you been trading and what do you trade? Shout out to Romeo in the chat. Shout out to B Hendrix. Shout out to Apex Clippers. Shout out to Moodor Mars 301. Shout out to Byron Harrison. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey. Where's Mr. Sam at, man? Shout out to Mr. Sam. Oh, did not mean to do that. All right. Yo, why does my Tradez keep freezing, bro? It was not doing that before. That's weird. Yeah, that's weird. It was not doing that before. Maybe it was the update. Let's see. Maybe the update. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey, man. What's up, man? Did you catch any plays today? All I did was run some evals around the open. It was a quick day for me. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey in the building. Bada bing, bada boom. Was it a, I guess it's like a short? Okay, cool. All right, we're curling back up. We got a power hour in 30 minutes. Oh, I think that's who I believe so. That's crazy. That's crazy. I gotta go back and look, but all right. Can the Bulls get back to day highs? We'll see. Kamal Dorsey says, caught a couple on Fridays. I trade light cause it's usually choppy, and I used to blow accounts on Friday. Yeah, Friday is the worst day to blow an account. Trust me, I know. That is the worst day. Oh man, that's the worst day to blow account, man. And don't let it be a holiday weekend. Oh man, the worst. You gotta wait all the way until Tuesday to get some New York session action. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey in the building. Yeah. It definitely is kind of choppy right now. Slow price action. Low volume. Friday afternoon volume. Yeah, the best time to hit it is in the morning on a Friday. Hit it and then go and enjoy the rest of your day. I'm gonna try to get some next week. The focus is Topstep, Lucid, or some My Funded Futures. That's the goal. I'm gonna use the weekend to like recalibrate. I had to take a break, guys. I know you guys haven't seen me for a while, but yeah, had family things going on. We had an older cousin that passed, so it's a lot going on. Yeah, man. So yeah, I just took that time to just like woosah and relax a little bit. Man. Kamal Dorsey says I blew 5 accounts in the last 2 weeks. Oh no. 2 funded right at payout, and yeah, I know that feeling too, man. Right at payout, trying to get that last little bit to get the payout. And eval pass, so I'm scaling down now and following my rule. 3 to 4 trades max, and only A+ setup. Absolutely, for sure. That's the key. Wait for your setup. Wait for your setup, and yeah, that's what I've seen that a lot as well. Like the guys that are getting constant payouts, they're keeping their trades per day low. Couple trades and then stop. For me, I have a daily loss limit, so like right now I'm starting to stagger it. So like if I have a $2,000 to draw down, maybe my first 2 plays with that, it won't happen Okay, so for the day, I can't. First day, I can't lose more than 400. Second day, I can't lose more than 400, and then after that, I start to stagger it. The third day, I can't lose more than 200. If I hit my mental daily loss limit, I stop for the day. And I'm usually looking for like 1-to-1, 1-to-2 risk to reward. So yeah, we'll see. Yeah, I know the feeling though, man. I'm with you, Kamal. Being right at payout or being at payout. I've been there too. Account ready for payout, trying to be greedy, trying to increase the payout, and shoot myself in the foot. It's happened often. It's happened a couple times, put it that way. It's part of the game though. You learn from it, move on. I told myself that's not happening again, man. Secure the payout. Use that payout to get some more accounts and compound. Whoa. SpaceX is floating in the 160s. Not much going on. SpaceX, SPCX. I'm watching a 1 minute. The wicks are crazy. I don't know what kind of spread that is, but somebody's working that spread from 150 to the 160s. But yeah, stay the course, Kamal. It's part of the game, man. A+ setups, less trades, works in your favor for sure. The last couple of days, I've been like writing out my plays, like writing out everything I need for that play, everything I need for me to get into a play, like the specifics. And if all the parameters don't match up, I'll leave it alone, just to save myself the headache. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, it looks like bulls might reach for day highs into the close. We'll see. We'll see what they can do before 3. This is a fresh 4-hour candle as well. 2 o'clock candle. Lucid trading. I wonder which. I'm gonna do some more research on volume profile. Which time frame? version. Bada bing, bada boom. Yeah, they're reaching up. We'll see what power hour looks like. Might have to run some errands for power hour. We'll see. Give it a couple more minutes. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey in the building. All right, we'll see. The 700 act as a wall. Looks like we're curling back up. We'll see. Duo. The bulls are climbing back up off a trend line. Trend line action. Between the 1 and the 5. Price is headed for those highs, man. Whoa. Whoa, bro. Shout out to Apex Clippers. We are grinding up. Topstep, Lucid. Gotta get into the groove. Back into the groove. Shout out to my brother, Moon on Mars 301. Come on, bulls, pop the top. Maybe with the new fresh 1 hour candle. Why is the pinned like right at the? Pop the top, bulls. That trend line bounce was a decent entry. Decent. Shout out to Bowser Trades, and shout out to the One Stop Trader. 133.33. Dang, man. All right, guys. Let's see how the power hour candle opens up, and then I'll let you guys go for the weekend. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. All right. I also have to check that out. New window. Alexa. Whoa. We got heat advisory. Okay, let's figure this out. Wow, it's a lot of them, bro. What? Wow. Dang. I did not know that. There's a lot of them. They're scattered. They're everywhere. And wow. Why are they all down the street in that particular area? Duh. Oh, bulls are gonna make this difficult. They might do it like right into the close. I mean, that would be cool too. Let's see. Happy Friday, guys. If you can hear the sound of my voice, happy Friday, man. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day. I'm gonna watch to see how this last hourly candle opens up, then we'll call it a day. Sign out. Yeah, 5915. 5915. All right, cool. Yeah, we'll see. All right, guys. Hype the video after it's done. I believe that you can do that. I don't know if, let me go to somewhere. What was yesterday? Yesterday was, okay. Oh, wow. Shout out to Red Candles too, man. Shout out to the Red Candles Nation. Red Candles Nation. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Dev Trades, what's the word? Shout out to Devin B210 in the building. What's up, man? Man, took a break, man. Had some family things going on. Had an older cousin that passed, so just took a break from the streams. I'm gonna try to get it back in, but still got family around, so yeah. Took a break. How's everything going with you? Shout out to Dev Trades in the building, Devin B210. Hope all is well, man. Come out, Dorsey said, happy Friday to you too, man. Keep your mental health up with everything you're going through. Like, my condolences. I appreciate you coming out, Dorsey. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, that's the key, man. That's a fact. Mental health is everything, man. Can't burn yourself out, man. At some point, you gotta give yourself a break. Pat yourself on the back a little bit. Take a break, then keep going. Dev Trade says, sorry to hear that. My condolences. I appreciate you, brother. Shout out to Devin B. 210 in the building. Dev says, everything good. I worked my way up to 11 funding. Oh, nice. That's what's up. What? Which props? Come on, Dorsey says facts. Yes, that's fact. Yeah. If the mental ain't right, everything else ain't right. Everything starts from within, man. Nice, you got 11. Which props? I'm trying to get them up, back up with I want a topstep and Lucid. Those are the two that I'm focusing on right now. That's what's up though. Back to 11. Apex sent me that email, so I can't buy any more evals from Apex. They sent me that email of doom. Email of doom. A couple other people in the one person in the Discord, and then a couple other people I know from other Discords. They're like, man, they sent me this random email. I can't buy any more evals, and they'll get back to me. And they still haven't gotten back to me. Dev B says 2 Lucid, 5 Topstep, 4 Tradez. Nice. That's a good set right there, man. All 50Ks. That's a good set, Dev B. Yeah, I want to start it off. Topstep for sure. 5 Topstep is dangerous. if you can hold on to that set, man, keep that set going. 5 XFAs can be dangerous. Deb B says 8 150Ks, nice. And 2 50Ks, nice. That's what's up, man. Hold on to those, man. 9 150Ks, nice. Yeah, dang. Especially if you got 5 150Ks on Topstep, yeah, that's dangerous. Those are dangerous. You can definitely cash out with those. Are you copy trading them, or are you doing like individual? Dev says, yes, sir, 5 150Ks on Topstep. Nice. Are you copy trading them? Copy with 5 micros, nice. That's what's up, man. Yeah, 5 150Ks on Topstep. Gives you some breathing room too. You can definitely get some solid payouts from those 5 for sure. Dang, Bear's giving it up, man. Fresh 1 hour candle coming in hot. We'll see if they can pop the top. Right now, they're kind of struggling. The trend is to the upside, though. It's a slow trend. It's a messy trend, but it's to the upside. We'll see if they can hold. Otherwise, bears might reach for, might get crazy during power hour. We'll see. Power hour. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Yeah, that's powerful, man. 5 150Ks on Topstep. Those are powerful. Bada bing, bada boom. Shout out to Devin B 210. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey. Shout out to B Hendricks. Shout out to Apex Clippers. Shout out to my bro, Mooner Mars 301. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Shout out to B Hendricks. Shout out to Apex Clippers. Shout out to Bowser Trades. Shout out to everybody that chimed in, stopped by. Shout out to Byron Harrison. Shout out to the One Stop Trader. Friday afternoon chop. You know how it goes. Friday afternoon chop. Shout out to Devin B 210. Yeah, that's solid, man. You got a nice pack, like a nice pack of evals right there. Not evals, but a nice pack of funded accounts for sure. Majority 150Ks too. The 150Ks definitely last longer. You can stretch those out. Shout out to everybody. Whoa. Don't knock anything over. All right, yeah, this gotta go down underneath. About to knock the laptop over, man. And the mic. All right. We good money. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Dang. Yeah, bulls are giving it up, man. Maybe during power hour. Fresh 1 hour candle right here. Shout out to everybody in the chat, man. All right, we'll see if we can hype the video. See if you can hype the video once I get off. I don't know how it works, but they're saying the hypes work. Hype the video? YouTube is changing their tactics. SpaceX is live, ladies and gentlemen. We got FOMC next week, core retail sales, CPI behind us, PPI behind us, non-farm behind us for now. These rate hikes, will we get rate hikes on Wednesday? That's going to be interesting. Dev B says the 50K accounts were lucky full pours off of my main setup. Nice. I say lucky because I was over leveraged, Tradify growth. Okay, nice. The 250K accounts, yep. Nice. Hey man, look, a win is a win. Sometimes the luck figures itself out, right? A win is a win for sure. 1000%. I've done that a couple times on Apex, man. Copy trading some evals. I might do like a jump in prematurely at the open, and somehow it figures itself out. The bracket works itself out. I'm like, whoa. Hey man, didn't mean to do that, but it worked. Holding the line. All right, bulls are pressing back up. All right, guys, it's power hour. Power hour. I think that thing this is good too, right? They changed the little subscriber page. I gotta adjust it. Man. The stream life. I gotta adjust this Lucid. I gotta adjust this Lucid discount too. Lucid is what? 50% off. Well, for the first two, and then after that, decreases. If you guys need Lucid accounts, use code Infinity. All right, let's see. Wow, bro. Like 50s, bro. Oh boy. Okay. Hold on 1 second, guys. Alrighty. Alright, bulls are trying again. We might get the break into the close, man. At least the bulls are hanging out at the highs. As long as they hang around at the highs, they have enough. They got enough leverage to use that power hour. A little bit of volume that's left to pop the top. Shout out to everybody in the chat. Appreciate you guys, man. I gotta get back into the algorithm. Whoa, my bad. YouTube wants you to stream all day, all night, man. Oh, that's what it was. It's probably that. Yeah, it looks like they're gonna go for it. They're going for it, right? Where are they at? 700 has been a terror. It's been a struggle. 700 has been a struggle since lunchtime. We've tested it quite a few times. Bada bing, bada boom. Shout out to Devin B210 in the building. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey. Shout out to you guys for stopping by, man. Saying what's up. Miss you guys, man. It's been a minute. It's been a minute. All right, guys. I'm about to run some errands. It's been real. Happy Friday. I'm going to catch you guys. We should get some good ones in next week. I'm gonna try to get on earlier too. We'll see what that. I don't think I've gotten like toward the end of gotten on stream like toward the end of Asia session. So we'll see. I'm gonna try it out. Maybe get on at like 7, 8 a.m. on Eastern time. We'll see. Shout out to you, Dev, man. You got a solid funded pack right there. Solid pack of funded accounts, man. All right, guys, I'm gonna catch you guys in a little bit. Enjoy the weekend. Next week we got FOMC, poor retail sales. That's basically the only thing we got going on. Just those two. What was another? Oh, Philly Fed, but that's it. So the main thing next week is going to be, do we get rate hikes or do they keep things the same? Keep rates the same. It's going to be interesting. This is his first one. If Warsh has to increase, like hike during his first meeting, that would be wild. So we'll see. All right, guys, I'm going to catch you guys next week, ladies and gentlemen. You guys enjoy the weekend. Happy Friday. Shout out to my bro, Devin B210. Shout out to Kamal Dorsey. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to everybody in the chat that chimed in. I'm going to catch you guys next week. Slow is pro. Process over outcome, ladies and gentlemen. Process over outcome. Trust the process. Do not rush the process. This is a marathon, ladies and gentlemen. Bit by bit. All the little bits add up. Each trade is information that you can store going into the future. Keep on going, guys. Don't give up. Don't give up on yourselves. You got to take a break. Take a break. It's part of the game. Keep on going, guys. I will catch you guys next week. Be good to yourselves and be good to others, ladies and gentlemen. Be good to yourselves and be good to others. I'm going to holler at you guys, man. Peace. Hype the video, guys. I'm going to try to figure it out. I don't know how that works, but we're going to figure it out. All right, you guys be safe. Peace.